I couldn't resist dragging that home. It's an Allis-Chalmers. My pal Wim in the Netherlands is pretty excited about it, but it's locked up tighter than Fort Knox. I think I've got it, guys. You know what time it is. Time for a taste of Dr. Pepper. That is not pretty. There's significant scoring, significant damage down there too. Kind of disappointing. I was really hoping to have this thing running and functional before I sent it across the Atlantic Ocean, but I think in light of what we've just seen, I'm gonna stop here and not, risk damaging it any further.